Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important aspect that a trader has to follow to become successful in trading. Yes, the most important aspect, that is focus and consistency. Yes, as a trader, if you have these two things in place, your focus and your consistency, you will surely become a successful trader in the stock markets. There is nothing going to stop you from becoming a consistently profitable trader. If your focus is there in place and your consistency is as per your focus, it's guaranteed that you will become successful. But the path is not easy because there are two aspects to it. One is the focus. When I say focus, focus is your strategy. You need to work on your strategy first. If you have a good trading strategy, which you have back tested, then that becomes your focus point. And consistency. Now that you have your strategy in place, you have to consistently follow that strategy. Before you convert your strategy into your trading plan, you must practice it minimum 100 times. And you should see that the win ratio is 50% or above that. If you have these things, then there is nothing going to stop you. It's a guarantee that you'll become a successful trader in the stock markets. Now, there are many types of trading strategies. There can be support and resistance trading strategy. There can be breakout trading strategy. There can be pullback trading strategy. There can be trend based trading strategy. One of my favorite trading strategy is a trend based trading strategy. A trend based plus a pullback in the trend. In an uptrend, it looks something like this. Very clear. There is an uptrend because here I'm using the dynamic support and resistance. So you can see that the uptrend is visible because of the light green cloud. And this is a downtrend trading strategy because you can now see that the cloud is light pink in color. So you can see that it's a downtrend trading strategy. Now let us understand what is this strategy. As I said, there are many types of strategies, but I am going to teach you one trading strategy in this video, which I have practiced in Euro USD more than 1000 times. And it has given me a 60 to 70% win ratio. Not 50, but 60 to 70% win ratio. So because I have practiced it so many times and because I am very comfortable with it, I'm going to share it with you. Now it is up to you how much you practice and how much you implement the strategy. Now let us go back to the chart and let us see one by one what are the things needed to enter into the trade. The first important thing is the moving average. So here I have used a 200 EMA and a 100 EMA. Now like you can see on this chart, you can see a cloud. The green cloud is basically the gap between the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA. Now you can use a simple EMA, but in this case, I have used dynamic support and resistance moving average. This indicator is easily available on TradingView, so you can use it from there. In this example, we are taking an uptrend because a crossover can happen in any direction, uptrend or downtrend. So we will take uptrend as an example. So once the crossover happens, the second thing you have to see is the retracement. So the price will go up, create a resistance, come back down. Now, when the price comes back down, you have to look for previous resistance zones, which is now most probably going to become a support. Now, once the price reached this area, you move from a 30-minute chart to a 5-minute chart. In the 5-minute chart, in that zone, you will see a lot of bullish candlestick patterns. Now, since we are looking at a buy in an uptrend, we have to look for bullish candlestick patterns. So once you see a bullish candlestick pattern, you check the ATR at this particular range. Now, what is an ATR? ATR is the average true range. So there are multiple indicators that will show you what is an average true range. Say if the average true range is 20 pips, then you put a stop loss of 30 pips. That is 1.5 times of the current average true range. You put a stop loss at 30 pips and your take profit will be 60 pips. Now you are going to infuse only 0.5% of your equity in this trade and in every single trade. Now you can use a position size calculator, which is also easily available in multiple websites. You can also use babypips.com. There you find out for 30 pips how much you have to infuse, the lot size that you have to infuse to risk 0.5%. Now, once you enter the trade with a risk to reward of 1:2, and in this case, 30 pips stop loss, you just wait for the price to go 60 pips. And you can see in this example, in one trend, you have got 4 trades. And these 4 trades you got in 1 week itself. So, like this, if you're able to enter 100 trades in a month or maybe in 2 months, and if your win ratio is only 50%, which I can assure you with this strategy, it will 101% be 60 to 70%. But even if you get 50% win ratio with a risk to reward of 1:1, and if you're infusing 0.5% in every single trade, at the end of 100 trades, you will be sitting with an additional profit of 12.5%. Now, friends, I hope that this little explanation has made it very, very clear that how a simple trading strategy can make you a consistent winning trader in the stock markets. All you need is 2 things: focus strategy and consistency in that strategy. It is not easy because most of the people whom I know, number one, they keep hopping strategies and trying to find easier and easier ways to trade and keep losing their equity. The most important thing is learn from the experts because they have already gone the hard way to learn these strategies. So learn from an expert one simple trading strategy, practice that strategy more than 100 times and become a master in that one strategy. Because let me tell you, one strategy is more than enough to make you a successful trader. Risk management is also very, very important. What is the use after you learn a strategy, but if you don't have equity to trade? So when you're practicing your strategy, don't infuse even 0.5%. Go with 0.10%. Very little infusion. So when you've completed your 100 trades and you are sure about your trading strategy, you still have enough equity left to trade. Now, a lot of people say you can use a demo account. But in a demo account, you really do not get the feeling of trading. You need to trade in a real account. But let me tell you, patience is very, very important. Practice, patience, and persistence. These are 3 things that you need to become successful in the stock markets. I hope that this easy strategy is something that you can practice, learn, and become a successful trader using this simple strategy. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating these content, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many other people who want to learn easy trading strategies. This strategy will surely help them to become a successful trader. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon. Because every time I see a new subscriber, I feel motivated to create more such videos for you. Friends, that's all in this video. All I can say is keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.